Okay guys, so we're not quite ready to set our pool up for winterization yet because we still have some season left, but I'd like to get a jump on some of the products. This one here in particular is called a pool pill, or a pool winterizer in a pill. But it's not really a pill if you look at it. It's more like a ball, about the size of a tennis ball. It's a hard piece of plastic with it's a hard shell. It's got a blue liquid in it, right? And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to shake it up when you're ready to use it, right? And then you take it, you put it upside down, take this pin, you're gonna stick it in this hole, because in that hole, if you can see in there, is a piece of plastic that you want to puncture. So you puncture that, you push this in all the way, and you throw it in your pool. During the off season, this will release a small monitored amount of this liquid, right? Of this blue liquid. This liquid acts as a growth inhibitor, and it keeps your water a lot more stable, and it also keeps it clearer. So in the future, when you go to open your pool is going to be a lot cleaner and easier to get up and running, right? They sell this for different size pools. So, there's ones for 7,500, I think 15,000, 35,000, all different size pools. So you're going to buy this, you're going to throw it in your pool, set it and forget it, and the future you, when you open your pool, will thank yourself for buying this. I know I have. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.